Hey, your subconscious mind is so miraculous that you can use this power to send a telepathic message to anyone you know. That's true. That's how I use this technique of sending a telepathic message. I'm going to share with you how you can use this technique right here live with all of you so that you can use this technique to send any message to anyone, right? You can send it to your friend, you can send it to your lover, you can send it to your spouse or family members, children, your boss. It can be, he or she can be anyone and sitting anywhere in the entire world. Okay. Sometimes we need to share some feelings, our vibration, the energy. Sometimes you need to say something to someone who is not near you, with whom you are not able to connect. You don't want to say directly, maybe you cannot say directly, maybe, right? But keep it in mind, my friends, that this technique must be used only for positive message, right? You have to be very pure at heart while sending this message. It cannot be used for manipulations. It should not be used to cheat anyone or manipulate anyone, right? And I'm sure you all are here listening and watching to me are positive people using the law of attraction techniques. And I thank you to all my viewers who are watching this video. Thank you so much. And now let's get started. This technique is called the ball of energy or the ball of vibration. You may call it the ball of frequency as well, the ball of law of attraction, the ball of message, the ball of intention. You can give any name to this ball. So today we are going to use and create a ball of energy, and we are going to write a message in this ball, and then we will be sending this ball to anyone you want to send, right? Anyone you know or any specific person. So the conditions we have to keep in mind to use this technique. First, it should be used for a positive message. Second, the message should be very specific, crisp. It cannot be a long email. It cannot be a long letter or a conversation. It has to be just one or two words, right? So you have to be very specific. You should be knowing the person to whom you are sending this message. So these are the conditions which we have to keep in mind before starting this technique. Now you are aware what are the conditions. Now you are aware what are the conditions or instructions to use this ball. So now let's get started and create this ball of energy, this ball of intention. Let's get started. We have to use, first let's start rubbing our hands. Rub your hands like this for maybe 60 seconds. Keep rubbing. You will start feeling a kind of heat, right? A kind of friction has started developing inside your two hands. Create a ball. Create a ball. You are feeling that friction, right? You can stretch this ball. You can make it big. You can feel it here because the energy is created here, right? Make it, pull it, push it. You will feel that there is a ball inside your both hands. You have created this ball and you are holding it. It's invisible because it's filled with energy. And we are going to make this ball more powerful, right? So now feel there is a big light, beam of light coming from the universe on your crown area and entering your crown, mind. The stream of silver beautiful light, the energy is coming from your crown area into your complete body. You are filled with complete energy. This is coming from the infinite. This is coming from the universe, from the abundance. You are now filled with complete positive energy, and your whole body is feeling that super powerful, energetic stream of light coming directly from the universe, entering from the crown area. Feel it. Feel this energy going from your arms towards your hands, and the ball is getting this energy. The ball is getting more powerful. You can feel that friction. I suggest you, whenever you do this practice, have a 5-minute meditation so that your intention is clear, so that you feel clear headed. You are pure at heart. You are not cluttered. In this video, we are short of time, so we won't be going for a meditation, but I will be dropping a link of 5-minute meditation in the description box. You can check it later. Do the meditation and then do this practice, right? You can feel that ball. The silver, beautiful circle ball is inside your hands, and you, only you, can feel it, feel the power. My hands, my both hands are feeling that energy, right? If you can see my hands, I'm literally feeling that energy inside my palm area and fingers. I feel that power right now. Do you feel that power? And now is the time to scribble the words you want to send to someone special. Just imagine this is a ball in which you can scribble any word, right? It is a flexible ball. You can send any word to anyone. As I said, you can write the word love, forgiveness, blessings. You can send any positive emotions. It can be used in many purposes, right? Maybe you want to heal a relationship. Maybe you are burdened with some kind of, pain of the past or mistake you have done, or you might have hurt somebody, or you are not going through a very well cordial relationship with your colleagues or boss, right? So you got my idea. This ball has to be used for a positive purpose, not to manipulate. We are going to send a telepathic message for a beautiful purpose, to send love, to ask for forgiveness, or to forgive someone, or to ask for cordial relationship, to send positivity, to send abundance, to send blessings. You can send it. You can send positive feelings to anyone, right? So I'm sending love. I'm going to scribble the word love to the whole universe, or everyone in the world. So I'm going to write love, and I'm going to send it to all my mentees, to all the people in the world. You can write any word. So let's imagine now the word you wanted to send to that specific person is written on this word. This is a jelly-like ball. The word is easily encrypted. Watch your word written on this ball of beautiful energy. Your intention is clearly written. It's encrypted. Now see that powerful word igniting the fire. You can see every letter of this word is so beautifully encrypted on this ball, and there are flames coming out of it, making this ball more powerful, energetic, beautiful, pure, and positive. Your words are getting more power. Feel this ball into your hands. Feel the energy. Feel that energy. You can rotate this ball. At some point of time, you will feel that the size of ball is fixed now. You are not able to shorten it, or you are not able to make it big. Like now, I am not able to decrease or increase the size. I can feel that ball of energy, that ball of beautiful intention, which has got my message written over it, right? Now, the next step will be imagine that person. Imagine in your mind's eye, you are holding this ball, and that specific person is standing in front of you. And now you are going to pass this ball straight into the heart of that person. For me, it is the entire universe. I'm sending my mentees love. So I can see so many people are receiving my ball. You can see your ball is going towards the heart chakra, the heart, towards that person. And that person is in receiving mode, is able to receive. That person is able to receive your ball. I just give fully my ball, right? You can see all the intention and purity of words have gone into that person's or person's heart, right? Clearly, everything has gone fully. The full message has gone. And see the receiver receiving it with the smile on his face. In your mind's eye, see and watch that person receiving your message and is smiling. The message is received positively. Your feelings, your message, your vibration, your frequency has been accepted by that person. Watch his or her face glowing with smile, with passion, compassion, love, kindness for you. Now, as you send your message, keep your index finger on your lips. I don't want what I sent to come back to me. So in this way, whatever love I'm sending, in my case, I sent a lot of love to my mentees and to the entire world. I don't want the love I sent, the same love to be coming back to me. I will be receiving a lot of love, but the love I sent should be received by everyone. Similarly, the message you sent should be received by the person. It should not be coming back to you. So just you can use your left hand's index finger and keep it on lips for a moment. That's it. That's it. Yes. The message has gone, successfully delivered, successfully accepted by that special person. And I want all of you to use this technique for 7 days continuously in night. You might see a change before this duration as well, but to see the positive effects, the full-fledged effects, you can use this technique for 7 days. And do let me know how it went. Whatever your questions are, please put it in the comments or let me know, connect with me. I will be happy to help you out. So take good care and have a great time. Thank you so much for watching this video.